Hey everyone! Let's kick things off with OpenAI's innovative Sora model, which is set to revolutionize how we create and experience music videos. Today, we're spotlighting the debut of the first official music video fully generated by this groundbreaking AI technology. The music video for The Hardest Part by indie artist Washed Out, directed by Paul Trillo, showcases what Sora can do. This video isn't just a sequence of clips, it's a meticulously crafted 4-minute journey through continuously zooming shots that stitch together seamlessly, creating an illusion of an unending zoom. This artistic feat was achieved by selecting 55 clips out of a massive pool of 700, all generated by Sora and then expertly edited in Adobe Premiere. The result is a visually mesmerizing experience that pushes the boundaries of traditional videography and AI's role in creative industries. Paul Trillo, the visionary behind this project, shared that the concept had been a decade in the making but was only now realized thanks to the capabilities of the Sora model. This AI doesn't just generate clips, it follows detailed prompts about image content, camera angles, and character movements, allowing creators like Trillo to bring their most intricate visions to life. Coming to Microsoft's strategic chess move in the AI domain. Feeling the heat from Google's rapid advancements, Microsoft poured a whopping $1 billion into OpenAI back in 2019. Now, why would they make such a massive investment? It turns out, internal emails have brought to light that Microsoft's top brass was seriously worried about Google's rapid advancements in AI. The emails, which were unearthed as part of a larger antitrust case against Google, reveal a candid dialogue between Microsoft's CTO Kevin Scott, CEO Satya Nadella, and co-founder Bill Gates. Scott's words were clear. Microsoft was very worried and felt multiple years behind Google, especially after it took their engineers 6 months just to replicate and train Google's BERT language model, a task Google had achieved much faster, thanks to their superior infrastructure. What's fascinating here is not just Microsoft's fear of falling behind, but their strategic response. Recognizing the gap, they didn't just aim to catch up. They aim to leapfrog into a leadership position by aligning themselves with OpenAI, a then-emerging powerhouse in revolutionary AI technologies. This partnership was envisioned to inject next-generation AI capabilities into Microsoft's suite of products, transforming everything from their Bing search engine to their entire Office suite, and even the Windows operating system itself. Fast forward to today, their total investment has surged past $13 billion. This funding has supercharged Microsoft's integration of AI across its suite of products, including Bing and Windows, transforming them from AI learners to leaders in a fiercely competitive market. Next up, Microsoft is spreading its technological wings with a record $2.2 billion investment in Malaysia, aiming to create a digital transformation powerhouse. This initiative is set to construct state-of-the-art cloud and AI infrastructure, while also upskilling an impressive 200,000 locals in AI technologies. By partnering with the Malaysian government to establish a national AI center of excellence, Microsoft is not just investing money, but investing in future potential, making a profound impact on Malaysia's tech landscape. Shifting gears to robotics, Microsoft's intriguing partnership with Sanctuary AI focuses on developing humanoid robots capable of general-purpose tasks. The partnership aims to leverage Microsoft's advanced AI models and its Azure cloud resources to greatly enhance the capabilities of Sanctuary AI's humanoid robots, including their flagship model, Phoenix. These robots are designed not just to mimic human actions, but to understand and adapt to complex environments, which could revolutionize industries such as manufacturing, logistics, and even customer service. The recent announcement of Microsoft's collaboration is not just about sharing resources, but also aligning visions. Sanctuary AI has been a leader in developing robots that are tested across numerous tasks in different settings, demonstrating versatility that was once thought to be in the distant future. By combining their expertise with Microsoft's technological prowess and investment, the potential for innovation is vast. Sanctuary's co-founder and CEO, Jordi Rose, has emphasized the importance of this partnership in advancing towards robots that think and learn like humans, underscoring a shared goal to tackle one of the most significant technical challenges of our time. Moreover, Microsoft's commitment is further illustrated by their recent investment in Sanctuary's competitor, Figure, and other AI and robotics initiatives, indicating a broad strategy to lead in the development of general-purpose AI technologies. This strategic approach not only enhances Microsoft's portfolio, but also propels the entire field of robotics towards more dynamic and flexible systems that could one day work alongside humans in various capacities. Moving on to OpenAI, they're making AI more accessible than ever with their latest ChatGPT update. Now, all users can enjoy a continuous chat history feature, enabling seamless conversations with AI, no matter when you last stopped. This upgrade is a big step towards making AI interactions more natural and intuitive, reflecting OpenAI's commitment to user-friendly technology that respects privacy and enhances communication. In the realm of legal challenges, OpenAI and Microsoft are currently under fire, facing lawsuits from several US newspapers. These media outlets claim their content was used without permission to train AI models, potentially setting a groundbreaking precedent for the use of copyrighted material in AI development. The outcome of this lawsuit could have far-reaching effects on how AI companies operate and access data. Anthropic is not staying behind in the AI race either. They've just launched a mobile app for their Claude AI models, alongside a new team plan designed to facilitate group collaborations. With these tools, users can now access powerful AI capabilities right from their smartphones, enhancing productivity and creativity on the go. The Claude mobile app can act as a chatbot, and users can also upload photos straight to the app for image analysis. Previously, Claude was only available through Anthropic's Claude AI website and third-party model libraries like Amazon Bedrock, Hugging Face, or Microsoft Azure. Scott White, product manager at Anthropic, says many Claude users have been accessing the AI models through the mobile web, which led Anthropic to offer an app version of Claude AI. He says the company will come out with an Android version soon. This strategic expansion positions Anthropic to better compete in the rapidly growing mobile AI market. Google has recently brokered a deal with News Corp, agreeing to pay up to $6 million a year for AI-driven content development. This partnership not only boosts Google's content capabilities, but also highlights the increasing integration of AI in media production. It's a vivid example of how AI is becoming indispensable in crafting engaging, informed content across platforms. Turning our attention to Meta's AI-driven advertising tool, Advantage Plus was meant to revolutionize digital marketing by automating ad placements and optimizing budget use. Shortly after its launch, numerous businesses began reporting that Advantage Plus was not only failing to adhere to set budget limits, but also burning through allocated funds at an alarming rate without delivering the expected returns. On Valentine's Day, an instance occurred where the tool exhausted 75% of the daily budgets for several campaigns within just a few hours, pushing the cost per impression, CPM, rates to nearly 10 times the usual amount. This misfire led to substantial financial losses for advertisers, with little to no increase in sales, leaving businesses frustrated and questioning the reliability of Meta's automated systems. Meta has faced criticism not just for the tool's erratic behavior, but also for what many see as a lack of adequate response or transparency regarding the issues. Many businesses affected by the glitches have struggled to obtain support or clear communication from Meta, exacerbating the situation. Nvidia is pushing the boundaries of local AI processing with significant enhancements to its ChatRTX chatbot. Initially launched as a demonstration tool, ChatRTX is designed to operate locally on users' PCs, leveraging the powerful RTX series GPUs. This setup allows for a high level of privacy and efficiency as all data processing occurs directly on the user's computer, rather than being sent to the cloud. The latest update to ChatRTX introduces a range of new features and capabilities.
When does my new job start?
我什么时候入职新公司？
¿Cuándo empieza mi nuevo trabajo?
Notably, Nvidia has expanded the chatbot's AI model support to include Google's Gemma model, ChatGLM3, and even OpenAI's Clip model. Each of these models brings a unique strength to the table. Gemma excels in handling complex data processing tasks, ChatGLM3 offers bilingual support in English and Chinese, and Clip allows for advanced image recognition and interaction within the user's local data. Furthermore, Nvidia has integrated voice query capabilities into ChatRTX through the addition of Whisper, an AI speech recognition system. This new feature lets users interact with their local data via voice commands, making it more accessible and easier to use. The update also includes a significant usability enhancement. A 36 GB download that once installed provides a robust interface for users to switch seamlessly between models depending on their specific needs, whether they're searching documents, analyzing images, or simply interacting with their digital environment using natural language. These improvements make ChatRTX an even more powerful tool for anyone needing a secure, versatile, and responsive AI assistant on their local machine. It's a prime example of how Nvidia is not just participating in the AI space, but actively shaping the future of how AI is integrated into personal computing. MidJourney is democratizing creativity with its new feature that allows users to create images directly on their website. This update opens up new possibilities for collaboration and creativity, enabling users to craft stunning visuals in real time together in public or private rooms. It's a big leap towards making sophisticated image generation tools accessible to a broader audience.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Alpha website. I'm here to show you around. The first thing that you'll notice is that the Imagine bar no longer says coming soon, but you can actually type in a prompt. Here, for example, I'll say an illustration of a snowy owl in the Swiss Alps. I press enter to submit that prompt, and because I'm in the Explore tab, you can see that the job has moved into the Create tab. Click over there and you can see that the job has started to generate. While it's creating, I'm going to show you the new Settings menu. Click that icon on the side of the prompt bar in order to change some of your default configurations.
From China, we have Vidu, a groundbreaking text-to-video generator that promises to revolutionize content creation. Developed by Shengshu Technology and Tsinghua University, Vidu can generate complex, multi-angle videos in seconds. While it's still catching up to OpenAI's Sora in terms of realism, Vidu's capabilities in creating dynamic video content are a testament to the rapid advancements in AI video technology. Lastly, China has unveiled its first self-developed humanoid robot, marking a significant achievement in its AI and robotics endeavors. This development not only showcases China's growing capabilities in high-tech sectors, but also highlights the global race to develop lineup of stories we've had today. From strategic investments in innovative tech to legal challenges and groundbreaking updates, the world of AI and technology continues to amaze and evolve. What do you think about these developments? Which story resonated with you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed our deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Catch you in the next video.